This evening, we started laying the floor above the subfloor. We got 3/4 inch plywood and we're laying it over the top. We haven't been videoing it because it's extremely heavy and labor intensive. We have to take it out all the way around to cut the curves. You can see the curves here that we had to stencil and then cut the plywood so that it would fit the roundness. And this thing is super stable. It feels so good. We're so excited about it. When you step on the subfloor, it's spongy, and you know, it's a subfloor. It's just supposed to be there for support. So this thing is really starting to come together. We're super happy about it. We're excited to announce that we got the floor in above the subfloor. This is the, what do you call this? The subfloor above the subfloor? The finishing floor? I don't know. But we're so excited. It is so solid.
It feels great.
It just makes the whole interior all of a sudden look like, wow, this is going to get done, and
a step closer to getting finished for sure.
Yep, it feels more solid. So.
Yes.
Next thing will be the wheel wells, and then we'll be ready to pull it down to James West for him to do the wiring and the air conditioning unit.
We're super excited to have air conditioning because we're going to be putting the insulation in after he does the wiring. And once we get all the parts from the windows, once they come in, we should be able to start skinning the interior, and we should have air conditioning to do that. And I mean, we have no illusions that we're going to be able to work on this during the day because it's getting warm already, but we can work on it in the morning hours and in the evening hours, and we can definitely get a few more hours with the air conditioning. So we're super excited about that.
Yeah, we're really excited to have it done before the heat really kicks in. Right now,
it's been
we're
wonderful.
hitting like the mid to low 70s, which is perfect. So yeah, we've been really fortunate, and anyway, we're excited to get this done. It's been a big milestone for us. So.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Yep.
We also want to bring you up to date on our costs, and to let you know that the dealership was going to bring it to this point with the subflooring. Were they going to do wiring?
No, it was just to get it to the electrical stage.
To this, and then also they quoted us with 2 air conditioners.
They did.
So that cost was going to be $46,000.
Just to get it to where we are right now, if we would have had them do the work.
Correct. And right now we are at about $7,000. That doesn't include the cost of the unit itself.
Yeah.
But we are
so excited.
So much ahead of financially, and just the ability to do it ourselves is just so much more rewarding.
Well, I think it's been more surprising for me to see you get excited about this than me. I feel like I've kind of lost steam because things are really heavy, and I don't do heavy lifting very well. So he's just kind of taken over and just got in here and done the bulk of the work lately.
I've enjoyed it, and with the coronavirus thing, you know, it's given us some purpose. We miss our family and our grandkids.
Yeah, we do.
But it's important that we stay quarantined because we're having a new grandbaby at the end of this month. So
we're super excited about it.
We're excited for that. So we're trying to stay safe and healthy.
And we're trying to stay busy so that the days go faster. So
yeah, it's been a real blessing for us. So.
It has. And it's also been nice because if it hadn't been for the coronavirus, I would be hearing all day how we could be golfing or out to the lake or whatever. Now
Actually,
there's no golfing.
we would be doing weddings. We'd
probably be doing weddings, yeah.
Just April 3rd was like 6 weddings. So.
Yeah. Well, postponed. Mostly postponed.
Mostly postponed.
So
the second half of this year is going to be crazy, so it's good to get this.
We feel really blessed that most of them have postponed rather than canceled. So.
Yep.
Anyway.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks.